Hi guys, today we are going to make security flashlight. Here's the circuit that I designed. Take the printout of the design and create the PCB. Here I almost complete the soldering part. Don't worry, I will let you know all the components in the circuit. Here's the circuit power input. These jumpers is used to check the circuit. Here first 3 jumpers is used to servo motor and the 4th and the 5th jumper is used to the light. Here have better look of all the components in the circuit. These 4 capacitors use as frequency generator for the NE556 timers, and the C548 transistor are used to amplify the current from the NE556 dual timer. This is the very important part of the circuit. You can change the triggering time for the flashlight and the servo by changing these resistors. If you need less triggering time, change the resistor value lower than this. I already added 2 megaohms to the circuit, so it will work with 45 minutes triggering circle. These are the other things what we need: old flashlight, toy gear, plastic box, small bracket, servo motor. Let's assemble the security light. Here is the servo motor ground. This is servo trigger pin. And This is the 5-volt input for the servo motor. Here we insert the LED power input. Let's power up the circuit with the 5-volt. Short these jumpers to check the circuit. This is the 4.5 kW batteries with the power bank circuit. This will power the circuit for 10 days or more.